So tell me about the first speaking experience then. What was so humbling about it? What did you find humbling?
It was the fact that I thought I could hold a room, talking about kids, kind of like, obviously that's the other thing, right? Like holding a room with kids. They were adults, by the way. But I thought I could hold the room by creating, so first of all, by being in front of an audience that didn't feel like it was mine, which is fine. It was also for charity. So I was like, of course, I'm going to do it because it was actually a great opportunity. But I think I was trying to put off a persona that wasn't me. Like, if you ever saw me speaking, or if you ever listened to me on the podcast, me as the beautiful boho queen that flows around doing meditations, I can do it, but it's just not me. So I was struggling to hold that quiet, sort of introspective space because I am loud. I gesticulate a lot. I will
You were in
ask
there trying to get out.
and I know that I struggle with that because I try to build a talk and to build like a flow. Also, there was the lack of experience. I will say that too. But if I had done it now, I would have been like, no, like I had, just to kind of give context on this, I had a similar experience of what am I going to do now when last year I was doing a talk. I was about to do a talk. And an hour before, I was told that there were no slides. And that talk was based on a presentation with slides. That was a challenge, but like when I asked some of my friends that were there, and I didn't tell them that some people knew, but some didn't, and they said I would have never guessed. So because obviously I brought myself out of it, and I brought me in, and I got the interaction with the audience, and it's something that I had to learn how to interact with the audience, do it in a way that feels natural to me. And all of these things that I'm saying now, at that time, I didn't do because I was trying to kind of fit myself into the mold of somebody else. And because of that, I couldn't hold that space. It's just the truth. And maybe for other people it's easy. For me, because of how unapologetically I tend to be with everything I do, even way back when, I still lost the room. I still wasn't able to bring them back in. I wasn't able to kind of hold that quiet space because I think everything inside of me was a lot different. I don't know if I'm making sense with your experience.
You are, absolutely. Because I've got 3 B's. And the first one is believe. Believe, breathe, be prepared. Believe is the biggest thing. If you aren't actually being yourself on stage, then the audience aren't going to believe you. It makes you feel awkward. Ooh, it's as Christoph says, this is exactly what it is. Eek! Yeah, it's not a good feeling. It's not a good feeling.